Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Sol Badguy Guilty Gear Strive. Start by learning his poke ranges and fastest normals, then focus on confirming with crouch slash into dust. Prioritize mastering drive special moves to control space and pressure opponents. Add Roman cancel timing to extend combos and punish mistakes. Keep your playstyle aggressive but measured, trading safely and converting whiffs into big damage consistently. In this video, I will show how to play Sol Badguy Guilty Gear Strive. Drill each normal until spacing feels natural, then add J, D, and Bandit Bringer for safe aerial pressure. Use Dragon Install strategically to boost damage and threaten kills, not just to swing neutral recklessly. Practice linking 5k into Dust and confirm into Bandit Bringer for consistent carry. Keep a mental checklist of meter, burst, and opponent tendencies to adapt mid-match. In this video, I will show how to play Sol Badguy Guilty Gear Strive. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for bringing your setup to life and keeping training music loud while you grind combos. It fits on a desk and pairs easily with phones or consoles for clean audio cues and vocal assistant help. If you find this helpful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play Sol Badguy Guilty Gear Strive. Work on bread and butter combos until muscle memory removes hesitation under pressure. Introduce Roman cancels to extend combos into corner, but practice the timing slowly to avoid whiff punishes. Mix defensive options like faultless defense and bursts when reads change, and always adapt combos depending on meter and distance. Review your matches to refine confirms and punish windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.